Good Monday morning. It is Monday, February 16th, 2026. It is currently 9:44 in the morning. It's President's Day today, so I'm off, which is nice. It was pouring rain this morning. I mean, just pouring rain. It was nice hearing the rain on the roof. It kind of helped me fall back to sleep this morning. It looks like it's going to rain again. It's supposed to rain on and off today, but it's supposed to be in the 40s today. And then tomorrow we get cold. And then tomorrow we have one more warm day tomorrow, and then Wednesday we have a storm coming. We're under a winter storm watch right now. So it goes from rain, sleet and freezing rain to snow. So it's going to be absolutely horrible. And then we're supposed to get really strong winds on top of it. So I'm like, yay, here we go. So there'll probably be no school on Wednesday. So I'm going to have another day off. And this snow is going to be heavy. So I'm not doing a lot of shoveling. But we've lost so much snow that it's crazy. You can definitely notice we've lost a lot of snow. There's no doubt about it. But now it's all gonna come back again. I'm gonna go for a morning walk this morning. We'll try to. I've been neglecting it. I didn't even walk yesterday. I was too busy outside by the fire and cooking and having a somewhat normalish day. But it was a nice day to get out and get some sun. It definitely helped my mood. But it rained nicely out there, though, which helped knock down a lot of the snow. I mean, a couple weeks ago, you could not even see. There's two stumps over here, and they were buried. You couldn't even see them. So now everything will be nice. I was looking at the weather for the months ahead, and it looks like we start warming up nicely in March, about the middle of March. And that's usually where we get like our freezing rain storms, our freezing rain and and we also get a St. Patrick's Day storm. And then that's it. And everything starts melting. So I'm excited. I'm excited for spring. And it's coming, just taking some time. So yeah, today, I don't know, I slept for crap last night again. So hopefully tonight's better. I'm gonna cut the caffeine, I think, in the evening. And hopefully that helps me sleep. I don't know. I don't think it's caffeine is probably a part of it. I think it's something going on with my anxiety. I know it has something to do with that, because all of a sudden now it's like out of control. Last week was a really bad week. Oh my God, was it horrible. And then I had therapy on Friday, and I felt better, And then Friday night I slept because I was just not feeling good. Friday was a rough day. I cooked chicken legs in the oven out here. It's Saturday. I had Pinot Marie. I was kind of just doing random whatever around the house. And then she got sick that evening. We tried having a fire, but she was sick, so we ended up just going home. Those damn trucks are coming up and down the road today. They woke me up super early this morning. They're taking down that sledding course downtown from Hanky Lunta. They're a little bit late, a week late on that. That's okay. They gave it a week so the kids could play on it, which I think is good because it was a nice sledding hill for everybody. But yeah, where was I going? And then yesterday was a wonderful day. Like, it was sunny, I was outside, I was actually decent yesterday. And then now today, I could feel myself going down. Because the storm is coming, and it's going to be snowy again, and it's going to be dark and cold, and winter is hard on me, but oh well, we'll get over it. We'll get there. So I will check in with y'all if I decide to go for a walk later today. I'll probably go later today. And then we'll get this week going. So I will see y'all later.
Like a spring of water that never fails, God covers you in the righteousness of Christ and forgives your sins. In Jesus' name, may the Spirit give you strength to live for others and bless you with the gift of peace. Please rise as you are able and sing the gathering song 671, Shine Jesus Shine.
Hi all, welcome back to the vlog. So I am just watching Sunday worship from yesterday. I choose to worship online, which I'm so glad they have that option because with my social anxiety, I just can't handle it sometimes. So I'm glad that I can just be home and I can watch the service when I can. I don't think I've mentioned it, but usually on Sundays, well, Sunday nights usually, because it's not aired until after the service, so. But I usually try to do it Monday evenings. I'll just lay in bed and listen to it, but today I'm doing it this morning since I'm home. It's always nice to still be able to worship in my own way. I do go to soup suppers on Wednesdays at church, so I make soup and whatnot every week. So I got to start planning ahead with that. I think I'm going to do chicken noodle soup for the first one. Then I usually do soup, and then I'll bring a dessert as well. I just go all out. It doesn't matter to me. That's the least I can do, you know. So our normal pastor isn't on here because she's gone with the youth group, but it's very nice to like I said, be able to worship at home in my own way. So I'm gonna watch this, and I am going to, enjoy my service here and feel refreshed for the day, and then we'll probably go for a walk. I don't care if the trucks are there or not. I'm still gonna go for a walk, because they don't go all the way down, so I need to go for a walk today. I have not been walking like I should lately, and it's not good, because I'm going to start getting fat again, and I really don't want that. But it makes me feel good. I just don't do it for the weight loss, but I do it because it makes me feel good, And then I got to put a tarp back here. So you're supposed to get that snow, and I don't want the snow to get in there when they're trying to remodel it. All those damn trucks, I tell you. So loud. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I might go for a walk and then come back and finish the service. No, I'm going to finish the service first, then I'll go for a walk. So I will see y'all when I'm done with my service. Good afternoon, all. It is going on 2 o'clock. I decided to take a walk. And I decided I'll pick up the camera. So I finished my church service. I just kind of watched it in between doing things. I went in the shower. I feel refreshed. I decided to take a shower. Just a quick one. Just to feel refreshed. I've been feeling weird today. Don't know why. But I have been. It's ridiculous. I know we have that storm tomorrow. And I think that's why I feel so bad. But I wanted to beat those trucks down here. And I don't know if I'm gonna. But it's beautiful. It's 44 degrees. So I'll take it. But yeah. So I figured I'd check in. I think that's gonna be it for this Monday. I go back to work tomorrow. And we're probably gonna have a snow day on Wednesday. So it'll be a short week. I'm okay with that, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you all go and I'll check in with you all tomorrow. Like it took me a minute to find it. Good Tuesday afternoon, y'all. It is Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. I'm currently on a walk right now. Oh, the clouds are starting to move in. It's supposed to get really nasty storm tonight. Rain, freezing rain, snow. Not good weather at all. So it's gonna be icky. We're probably gonna have a snow day tomorrow. Most likely. I know I won't be going out. So. Stupid doorbell. No. But yeah, so. Figured I'd take a walk while I can. And I think I'm gonna go in, shower, and relax. Yeah, it's cold. Supposed to get 6 to 12 inches. Hopefully we'll just get 6. But the wind is really starting to pick up. So I don't know. I could tell a storm's coming because I'm getting nervous. But, so I'm gonna log off today. I mean, not much to talk about today. So, I'm gonna show you our snowbanks. So, they dumped the snow behind my house here on my trail here. On the trail here. I'll show you guys. I know last year I kept saying this snow isn't gonna melt till July. Once it starts getting super hot out and we start getting rain, it's gonna melt super quick. It don't take long to melt. But yeah, this is what we have going on. Look at those snowbanks. How high they are. I mean, they're just so high. Good Thursday evening, y'all. I totally did not vlog yesterday. We ended up having a snow day yesterday, a snowstorm yesterday. So I did not vlog. We had no school, so... And I was just not feeling good, so... I took a break from vlogging. So today, I didn't do much. I thought it was Wednesday today, and I totally missed my therapy appointment. My therapist called me, and she's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah," like, I was kind of thrown off, like, why is she calling me? It's like, "You had an appointment today." I'm like, "Oh my God," and I panicked, and I was like, "Oh my God," frantic all around the room, and she's like, "Adam, calm down, calm down." And I was like, "Oh my God, I forgot. I thought it was Wednesday today." So, I almost forgot to upload the vlog today because I thought it was Wednesday today. So, it is Thursday today. We're probably gonna have another snow day tomorrow because it is supposed to snow again. Unfortunately. So, we're supposed to get really icy, mixy, snowy weather tonight. So, it's gonna be an icky day tomorrow. So if there is school, I'll probably end up just taking a personal day because I am not driving and it's supposed to get worse as the day goes on. And I could barely make it this morning and I got stuck. So I'm not doing that. So I was supposed to bring my mom to an appointment tomorrow. I don't think we're going tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm gonna log off now. Upload this very short vlog. And I will catch you all tomorrow on Friday. Have a good night.